So this is how you can generate videos for completely free on Flux or Flux AI. As you can see, I am currently in the Flux.ai website, and there is this green button telling me to try Flux for completely free. So let's go on ahead and tap on that. Now generally, Flux is used to create hardware, like using AI to create hardware, so it'll be easier for you. But what we're going to want to do is scroll down a bit and go to the image creator Flux or Flux point 1. So here you can create images and videos using AI. It's actually very simple. It's how you would do in any other video generator or image generator. You're just going to want to tap on this get started button and it's going to ask you to sign in. After you sign in with an account, whether Google or Yahoo, it's just going to give you a few credits for you to try, and basically you can put in a prompt. Let's say you want to create a video about volcanoes or something. You can say something like that and it's going to take a few minutes and it's going to generate a video for you. So it really is that easy. All you need is a prompt and you're good to go. So that's about it for this video. Once again, this is flux1.ai, and that is how you can generate things using Flux. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial works or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.